Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi. Now, a question I get asked quite often is about sort of swapping heads and body parts on vintage Star Wars figures, and I've already done videos on boil and pop methods, where the way you heat up the plastic and it sort of gets a bit soft and then you can pull out body parts. But Kevin from Zarnista Studios asked me about doing a very sort of simple custom on a figure he had. So today I'm going to be covering that. Now, I have to say, it is one of the most simple customs that you can actually do on Star Wars figures, and it's very quick and easy. So if anyone wants to try it, this is probably the easiest custom you can do. Now, here in front of me I have, this is an Endor Luke Skywalker. So this is the version of him sort of when he's sitting on the speeder bike. So it's a nice sort of black outfit, and he's got the little Endor helmet on. But actually, when you look at the figures closer, you can see that the outfit that he's wearing looks a lot more like the outfit he wears when he's on the Death Star fighting Darth Vader. And a lot of people want to swap the head on this character with a Luke Jedi figure, as you can see here, the normal Luke head, and put it onto this figure so you can get a figure that looks like it should be in the throne room battle at the end. So that's what we're going to do today, and then there's just a little bit of paint touch up on this figure. You can see he's got some damage to his hand. Now, these Jedi figures, or a lot of the Jedi figures, use the same neck pegs on every figure, and it means that you can very easily swap them. A lot of the earlier figures had the peg going into the body, but on these Jedi figures the peg actually comes out the top of the body and there's a hole inside the head. So with a little bit of twisting, sometimes you have to heat the heads up just to make the plastic a bit softer, but actually I found always with this Endor version of Luke, you can just sort of twist and pull and the head will just pop off like so, and you're left with a body without a head on. There you can see the head with the hole in the bottom of the neck, and this neck peg is exactly the same as the one that's used on the Jedi version of Luke. So if I take this one here, you can see again, sometimes you have to heat these up, sometimes they will just come off. This one feels like quite a loose one. You can see there, that is the same neck peg, and the heads have the same hole in the bottom. So for swapping this figure over, that's all you need to do. So we can now take the Jedi Luke head, we'll put it on this body, which is the Endor Luke body. So what we've got there is Luke now looking a lot more like he should have done when he's battling Darth Vader in the throne room. So as you can see, that is a pretty simple fix. I can now go ahead and just touch up the paint on this, and I've done this many times before. All you need is a couple of humble paints here. I've got number 22 and number 61. 61 is a matte sort of flesh colour, and 22 is a gloss white. And the reason I mix those two together is because the paint is not really gloss and it's not really matte. You can see it's got a little bit of a shine to it. So let's just do that little touch up, and then that's the end of this little custom figure. Very simple, but does the job. And there you go, that is the finished Luke figure. I think this is actually one of the sort of most simplest customs you can possibly do with Star Wars figures, because the heads are so easy to swap. But it's certainly one that's actually sort of worth doing, because this is a much better version of Luke Skywalker. This body just looks so much more like the sort of throne room battle version of Luke Skywalker. So it's certainly something that's worth doing, and a very easy one to do, as I say. So thanks again to Kevin from Zarnista Studios for sending this over. It's just a sort of fun, simple project. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description, so if you want to go and check out his videos, then please do. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.